You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to scan documents directly to PDF on your iPhone. Open the Notes app and create a new note or select an existing one. Tap the camera icon above the keyboard and select Scan Documents from the menu. Position your iPhone's camera over the document. The app will automatically detect the edges of the document. A yellow highlight will appear. If it does not auto-capture, tap the shutter button manually. You can adjust the corners by dragging them. Tap Keep Scan to accept the scan. You can now scan additional pages by positioning the camera over the next page. Tap the plus icon to add more. When finished, tap Save. The scanned document will appear as a PDF within your note. To share or export it, tap the scanned image in the note, then tap the share icon in the top right. You can now send the PDF via email, save it to your Files app, or print it. To change the color filter from color to grayscale or black and white, tap the scan in the note, then tap the filter icon. You can also use the markup tool to sign or annotate the PDF directly. This feature turns your iPhone into a portable scanner. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.